Do you want to make your Python GUIs interactive? In this video, we'll add a clickable button to our DearPyGui window. First, we create a function called onButtonClick. This function will run whenever the button is clicked, and it simply prints button clicked to the console. Next, we create a window labeled button example using with dpg.window. Inside this window, we add a button labeled click me and use the callback keyword to connect it to our onButtonClick function. This way, when the button is pressed, the function is called automatically. After adding the button, we create a viewport, the main application window, set its title and size, then set up DearPyGui and show the viewport. Finally, we start the DearPyGui event loop so the interface stays interactive, and when the program ends, we destroy the context to clean up. Every time we click the button, the function is called and the print command runs. So everything works just as we want. In the next video, we'll explore how to handle user input and make your GUI even more dynamic. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.